this live worksheet also by following my tutorial. So let's create one step by step. So first you have to create the account on liveworksheet.com. Click on the first link you get, create your free account, choose your role as a teacher, sign up with your Google account, and you can sign up with your Microsoft account is as per your choice. So you will get that dashboard in front of you. You have different options in it. So you need to create the worksheet. So select that option. Under this, you have this different options. Add worksheet. So select the subject, the grade, the level, and the topic. Select it one by one. Okay, now let's write the title for the worksheet. Like worksheet grade 5. Then give some instructions to the student how to solve that worksheet. So solve this engaging worksheet. You can write it as per your requirement and the choice for the students of yours. Select the language as English. Now you have to upload the file you already have created from your computer, from your syllabus, from your respective topic. So I have created this PDF for my tutorial to be shown to all of my users and my followers. So I will choose this worksheet as a PDF in my tutorial and will show you how to make that dead worksheet into a live worksheet. So I will just select my file and then it will process for some time, and then click on save, insert selected, and then you have a button create worksheet. First let me show you, here is your worksheet you just have uploaded. So let's click on the button create worksheet. Here you go, you have different elements to make that worksheet a live worksheet. Let's make it live using different elements. You have the left panel for you to edit that worksheet. You have text field. So for name we need the text field. We will just drag and drop here. And for the class we also need the same field. So we just duplicate the same text field. For the fill in to blank you also need the text field. So just click on it and your text field will be here. Add your answer for that blank and click on save. Make it duplicate and do it for the rest of the blanks. But don't forget to add the correct answer of each blank. So here we do for all the blanks. Let's do the multiple choice questions. For the multiple choice questions you have the checkbox. Just drag and drop it and move it to the right place, duplicate it and edit it as a wrong answer and the good answer. Click it save, make it the duplicates And for the correct answer, you need the green color, so you will edit the correct answer and select it as the correct answer. And then save. So see, here you have the green color as the correct answer. Do it for all the MCQs. Let me show you, I have done it for you. Okay, next we have part C, true or false. So student has to write true or false here. So we need the text field here. Select it and then drag it to the respective place. Make it edit as true or false. T and F. And then save. Make it duplicate for false also. Make it edit as true or false. Okay, let's do the same for question number 3. It's false, so we will write it false and then click on save. Next part we have drag and drop, so we will use the select choice here. It will show you as a drop down menu. You have to write the options in the drop down by using this. So you can edit it by writing the two options as input device and output device. Student will select whether the given device is input device or output device, and check this box if the answer is input device, and check the box if the answer is output device. So the correct answer can be saved. Okay, do it for the rest of the 2 questions. Change the correct answer. Click on save. Do it for the 3rd one also. Here you go. Let's save this edited worksheet and test it as a student. So your student will look the worksheet like this. First they have to write the name. See, now it is an editable text field. They can write their name in that text field. Then they have to mention the class, and then the rest of the blanks they have to fill. So your normal worksheet has turned into a digital activity. Students can complete it online, submit their answers and get instant feedback. This will save your printing time, and students will take interest by solving this worksheet because it is no more as a paper worksheet. See how a boring worksheet becomes the interactive one. Okay, let's see the result. Click on finish, check my answers. The answer will be validating as per your given answers as a teacher. Okay, check the result, the final result. So it saved your time. Okay, you can see the wrong answers is in the red color and the correct answer is in the green color. And here you go. Here you have the marks. You got 6 out of 10. Wow. So this is the wow feature of this amazing tool. Students will enjoy that tool. Would you use live worksheets? Tell me in the comment yes or no. subscribe for more teacher tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.